Here's how to make $2,000 per week online. You can generate an extra income from home or replacing your job by doing these exact same things. And here's the exact step-by-step guide. And I've been using this business model for 6 months now. And before I share this with you, make sure to save this video so you can come back later anytime, and make sure you follow me so I can help you with that. And you can also do this as a beginner. Step 1 is go to digistore24.com. Then click on register now and create your account. Go to the marketplace and search for a product with a high commission. You can now promote it online and generate commission on each sale you make. My favorite one is high ticket affiliate marketing. You can make $1,000 or more on commission per sale. Now the two common questions I get the most is how do I promote them and how do I get started? And to help you with that, make sure you follow me and write in the comments interested so that I can reach out to you and help you get started as well.